Who's got the power to read? Who answers the call for friends in need?
Super Wyatt! Super Wyatt!
He's the guy, he's
Super Wyatt!
Who's got the power to read? Who looks into books for the answers we need?
Super Wyatt! Super Wyatt!
And the super readers, we're gonna fly. Come along with the super readers. Adventure waits when you're with Super Wyatt. Super Wyatt and the super readers, yeah. Super Wyatt and the super readers.
Adventure waits when you're with Super Wyatt!
Yeah, Super Wyatt.
Hi, so glad you're here. It's me, Wyatt. Welcome to Storybrook Village, where all our fairy tale friends live. Uh-oh. Looks like my baby sister Joy is upset. Let's go see what's going on. Come on. Let's go see what's wrong with baby Joy. It's okay. Wyatt's here. Yay for joy! Yay for joy! I wonder what she's saying. She hasn't said any real words yet. Can you say why? Say my nickname. Y for Wyatt. Why? Why? Why?
Why? Why? Why?
Did you hear that? Joy just said my name. She said why?
What?
She said it again. That's your first word. Everyone, come quick.
What is it, Wyatt?
Joy just said her first word. She said my name. Why?
Are you sure? Come on, Wyatt. You know Joy doesn't talk yet.
But she said it. She did.
I'm not saying we don't believe you, but we don't believe you. Sorry.
Come on, let's get you cleaned up for dinner.
But I heard it. Did you? Yeah, we are telling the truth. Why doesn't my family believe me? This is a super big problem. And a super big problem needs us, the Super Readers. We need to call the rest of the Super Readers. Call them with me. Say, calling all Super Readers. Calling all Super Readers. To the book club. To the book club. Come on, to the book club. Wyatt here.
P is for pig. Red Riding Hood rolling in. Princess P at your service.
And you, say your name. Great, we're all here. Together, we'll solve my problem. Let's go.
Okay, Wyatt, state your problem.
So I heard my baby sister Joy say her first word. Why?
She said your name!
I know. The problem is, no one else heard it. And now they don't believe me. How can I get my family to believe me?
Good question, Wyatt.
When we have a question, we look.
In a book!
What book should we look in?
Peas and carrots, carrots and peas. Book come out, please, please, please!
Let's read the title of this book. The Boy Who Cried Wolf. We know what to do. We need to jump into this book and find the answer to my question. First, we look for super letters. And then put them in our super duper computer. Super duper computer, how many super letters do we need? Looks like in this story, we need to find 5 super letters. And then we'll get our super story answer. It's time to transform. Ready?
Ready!
Arms in. Put your arm in. Super readers,
To the rescue! Alpha Pig with alphabet power! Wonder Red with word power!
Princess Presto with spelling power!
Super Y with the power to read. And Super U with the power to help. Together we are
The Super Readers!
Y Flyers. We're ready to fly into this book.
Super readers,
To the rescue!
it's time to fly with the super readers, 'cause we've got a problem to solve. Super readers,
To the rescue!
super readers, working together with powers to read. Into books we fly to find the super story answer. It's super wide. Super readers,
To the rescue!
Presto! We're in the Boy Who Cried Wolf book.
Let's read. Y Writer, highlight. Read with me. A boy saw a wolf.
Wolf, wolf, there's a wolf!
Nobody else saw the wolf.
Where is there a wolf?
Nobody believed the boy saw a wolf.
I don't see a wolf, so I don't believe you.
That's just like my problem. My family didn't believe me when I heard Baby Joy say my name. And that, Super Readers, is why we're in this book. We both can't get anybody to believe us.
We need to talk to that boy. Let's roll. Double drats, a river, and the boy is on the other side. Oh, my peas. How are we going to cross the river?
Alpha Pig to the rescue! With my amazing alphabet tools, I can build a bridge for us to cross the river. Okay, I need Super U to help me sing the alphabet. And I'll build the letters. Ready? A, B, C. Sing with me. A, B, C, D, E, amazing alphabet singing. Now we need to find all of the letters in the word bridge. Where's that letter B?
There!
B. Now, where is the R?
Over there!
R. Now, where is the I?
There it is!
I. And now, where is the D?
Right there!
D. And how about the G and the E?
There!
G and E. Lickety letters. We built the word bridge. Let's give ourselves a big thumbs up.
Now we can cross the bridge to get to the boy.
To the boy!
Don't forget to look out for super letters.
Super letters.
You see super letters? Where?
There!
Way to go! Our first super letters. What letters did you find?
R! S!
Yeah, R and S. We need to put them in our super duper computer. Three more super letters and then we'll get our super story answer. Excellent progress, super readers.
On with the story. To the boy we go.
Wolf! Wolf! There's a wolf!
Did you say there's a wolf?
He's my new friend, Wolf. We were just playing ball.
Hello there, I'm the wolf. Your turn.
Sorry.
Oh, no worries. I'll go get the ball.
Son, did you say you saw a wolf?
He was right here, a second ago.
I don't see a wolf, so I don't believe you.
You don't believe me?
It's hard to believe you when there's no wolf here, son. Sorry.
Caught the ball.
Wolf, no one believes that I saw you.
But you did see me. See, here I am, and I'm a wolf.
I know we see you, but how can we get everyone else to see you?
Cue the sparkle! Cue the music! Princess Presto to the rescue! With my magic spelling wand, I can make a party! And when you have a party, everyone comes. Okay, super readers, wands up. Spell with me. I need you to help me spell party. What letter makes the sound P? P! The letter P. Write it with me, like this. P. Now let's write the letter A. Write an A with me. A. What makes the sound R? R. Write the R with me. R. R. And what letter makes the sound T, T, T? T. T. Write it with me. T. like E in this word. Write the Y with me. Lovely Y. P-A-R-T-Y. Party! Presto! Spectacular spelling! We spelled the word party and made a party appear. Let's take a bow.
Wow, you sure know how to spell a good party.
Super letter.
You found a super letter? Which letter did you find?
U.
U. Let's put this U in our super duper computer. Two more super letters until we get our super story answer.
Everyone, come to our party! There's a wolf! There's a wolf!
Uh-oh, I have to go to the bathroom. I'll be right back.
Okay, Wolf, but hurry back.
A wolf? Where?
Where's the wolf? Ah, you just missed him. He went to the bathroom.
What?
Are you making this up? No, the wolf is my friend, and we made a party for you to meet him.
Are you pretending? Maybe you're just pretending there's a wolf.
There is a wolf, and he is my friend. I'm not pretending. Nobody believes me because you weren't here.
Well, I'm here now. Call them again.
Everyone, come quick! There's a wolf! There's a wolf!
We are not coming.
There is no wolf.
Nobody believes me about the wolf. Nobody is coming. This always happens in my story. Look. The boy cried wolf and nobody came. I can't change my story.
Super Y to the rescue! With the power to read, I can change this story and save the day. Let's change the word nobody in the sentence. Let's zap it. Ready, set, zap! Y writer? Right. Okay, super readers, let's choose a new word. Which word should we use to get everyone to come back? People, cookies, or bridges? Let's try cookies. Which one is the word cookies? I think it has 2 O's in it.
That one!
Okay, let's zap the word cookies into the sentence. Do it with me. Ready, set, zap! Now, let's read. The boy cried wolf, and cookies came.
There's a wolf! There's a wolf!
Woohoo! Cookies! But does cookies help everyone come back to see the wolf? No, cookies didn't help. Okay, super readers, we need a word to get everyone to come back. Which word should we use? People, cookies, or bridges? Okay, let's try the word people. Which one is the word people? I think it starts with a P.
That one!
Let's zap the word people into the sentence. Ready, set, zap! Now, let's read. The boy cried wolf, and people came.
There's a wolf! There's a wolf!
Here we are. We came back to see the wolf.
Super job, super readers! We changed the story so that people came.
We came again. So, where is this wolf?
The wolf was just here. Where did he go?
Well, I don't see a wolf again.
People, everyone. I feel sad when you don't believe me, because I'm telling the truth. I would like you to stay here until the wolf comes back.
Hi, I'm the wolf.
I told you I saw a wolf, and he's my new friend.
Hello, wolf. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I'm so sorry, son. We should have believed you.
Super letters!
You found our last super letters? What letters did you find?
T!
T! 2 T's? Let's put them in our super duper computer! We found all of our super letters. Now we can get our super story answer.
Bye.
Goodbye, super
Thanks for
readers.
coming.
Bye, guys.
See you later.
Why Flyers? Back to the book club.
We found the super story answer with Super Why.
Super duper computer. Give us our super story answer. Read the letters with me. T, R, U, S, T. Trust. Our super story answer is trust. But why?
Because in the book, people listened to the boy and waited for the wolf to come back. They learned to trust him.
So my question is, how can I get my family to believe me?
And the answer is
Trust. So, to get my family to believe me, I should tell them I want them to trust me? That's it. Come on. Okay, everybody. I have something to say. It hurts my feelings when you don't believe me. I really did hear Joy say her first word. And you heard it too, right? Okay, so trust me. I am telling the truth.
You're right, Wyatt. We'll trust you. And wait.
Why?
Wow, Joy!
Did you hear that?
We heard it, Wyatt.
If you tell us something, we need to trust you.
Thanks for your help. It worked!
Yay!
Hip hip hooray! The super readers saved the day!
Hip, hip, hooray!
Hooray!
The super reader saved the day. We changed the story. We solved the problem. We worked together, so hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip,